George, what did we learn from last night's video on selling?
Most people don't buy the first time you ask them, and many objections are very similar.
Okay, thank you. Hello, Jaden. What did we learn from last night's video on selling?
So you don't need like a robot talking voice or like hello for like when you're handling with a customer. You just need like a normal voice, like a voice you would usually like if you've ever seen like your mom or dad go to like some place like a shop or store like the market. Like and if they go to the customer service, their voice is like normal. So you just need your voice normal, and also in every situation you need to know what to do.
Okay.
Like get prepared, like figure it out.
Okay, thank you.